Actually, I haven't really tested this very much, but I'm going like basically like BGH mode where I put multiple stuff with more than 7, so I think it might work out better actually. I still want to try out Nefarian and Onyxia, like I guess those two mostly, or Alex, like one of those, but pretty much the same deck I was playing yesterday. I want to try one of the 9 big dragons though.
You asked for it.
I'm gonna keep my dragon, get rid of the rest.
Greetings.
Hello.
You know, I do have 2-3 drops. I wonder if that's a reason. It probably is, honestly. Yeah, let's do this. Get some tempo going here. Especially since the Beast Dark Cultist. The Nvidia match. Oh man, I just woke up. I thought it was PM. Like, they told me 10 PM or 10 PST. I thought it was after my stream. Like, I wake up with a bunch of Skype messages. I wasn't really ready to play, but submit my decks. I played some of the matches pretty bad, but like the Zoo versus Druid one, but I guess it worked because of what happened. Feel a little bad for Gara, but
Stop distracting me! Stop distracting me! I'll show them all! Do you like to play with fire?
let's see here.
I'll show them all! Fools! For fire!
It's like exactly like every time, right when I hover over here. Wait, what is going on?
In the light's name.
I'll probably just turn out my sound a little bit. I have a duplicate. I want to duplicate something good here. I can probably just ignore this board, play Emperor, I guess. Kill the 3-2, keep my 5-4 alive. I can also just trade like this. I guess, like, with dragons in my hand, I should probably just trade like this. It wouldn't necessarily be wrong to play Sylvanas here either, because, like, there's a lot of tension right now for Sylvanas. Let's see. What I'm scared of most is some kind of like combat tricks against priests at this point. I have to think about like Mind Control, Sylvanas Death, Shrink Master Cabal, Shrink Master like Shadow Mask. These things are how I'm gonna lose this game if I get like one of those really badly on me.
Embrace the void.
I don't think I should lose from like him killing my minions. Not with the duplicate and these minions being duplicated. I think I can play this duplicate later. Just go ahead and take out his board here. That's pretty cool in combo the duplicate. Should move out of Sweden, dude. Gotta watch the Strife stream. Wrong time zone. But you can check out my YouTube. Most of my games are there. YouTube.com/StrifeCrow. Okay. That is probably better because I can play it with the duplicate. If I play the Emperor Ping, like, I almost don't really need the mana right now. I've already gotten so many Emperor activations. Kind of scared of like some kind of like Sylvanas death or something. Like if I play my own Sylvanas, play duplicate, if he steals my Sylvanas, it would be kind of weird for me. Probably just ignore this board. I'll probably play a couple of minions that are good for duplicating. Sylvanas +1 on 5 drops, it seems. I think Sylvanas first, probably, in case some kind of AoE. It's probably the better minion. Like, am I scared of mind control? Kind of. Problem is, like, Belcher's not a great duplicate target against Priest because of, like, Shadow Madness and stuff. I can see myself just playing both of these as well. I'm trying to think if he can somehow screw me over with Sylvanas. Actually, he can, but
Time runs out on me.
I have no time.
let's do this anyways. Might even be able to justify playing the Azure Drake, actually. I've already used, like, all of my Dragon activators, unless the Corruptor gets duplicated. That should be fine. I bait out the Mind Control. I can clear this board, Flame Strike, probably.
Job's done.
I don't have BGH yet. Could be a problem for me. That's good. Onyxia is like, it can kind of like be really annoying for this board, but then I think he has AoE anyways, so I should probably just remove this. I've already used both duplicates. Frostbolt trade. I have 8 mana left over. I could probably get away with like playing Emperor here. Okay. First death. One more death. No mind control anymore. If he's running mind control, I wonder, because like some people when they run like double shrink, double cabal and stuff, they don't run mind control. It's like maybe too much. Maybe he doesn't have. Actually, it seems like my sound card's getting, like, the connection isn't very good. Holy Nova. That's pretty value for me. It wasn't Light Bomb would have cleared this pretty well. If he has a Holy Nova plus death, that's very good for me. Wow, okay. That makes kind of sense, but it's pretty desperate for the card roll. I think I'll go with this guy. He already used both deaths, and he had a really hard time dealing with my first 8/8. I don't think he can deal with this. Like, he top decked with death to deal with it. Also, like, both targets are good for me. I'm a little bit scared because he doesn't use Shadow Madness yet, so I played Sludge. It could kind of go weird with Shadow Madness. Some kind of like weird, do 2 damage to 1, then Shadow Madness or something. I still have a Dr. Boom. I don't want to owl it because he hasn't played Sylvanas yet. That's the main reason why I don't want to owl it. If I draw a polymorph, maybe, but until I draw a polymorph, I want to probably save the owl. Okay. I might actually drop the heal bot, I think, because of Shadow Madness right now. Belcher's, it's like awkward from the Shadow Madness. He doesn't have an easy Shadow Madness. Might be better anyways.
Is someone injured?
My shield For Argus.
I think the card draw is not going to matter too much. It might go into fatigue this game. If I can deal with this board without Flame Strike, it's probably the way to go. I think, like, with this little cards left, I mean, there's still tempo considerations because we don't have a big hand, but I think it's better for me to save the Flame Strike still. He shouldn't have that much left. Priest does play really well with board control, though. Let me try to see, like, remember what he has left. I think Belcher and Injured Blade Master, probably, that's what it is. The second Dr. Boom. The first one was probably Thought Stolen or something. Not really new at Big Game Hunter. I guess I should like play in a way where I just draw the Big Game Hunter and don't Flame Strike this, because I only have 4 cards left. Every turn I have a pretty high chance of drawing one. Let's clear out the small guys here. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, I am. Just gonna eat my guy up. I'm just gonna play. I'm way ahead on cards, so he's all in on me, regardless of like what happens here. Pretty much 3 cards ahead in fatigue. Let's see what I have left. Water Elemental. He has a Sylvanas, but I don't think Sylvanas is a big deal anymore. I'm a little bit scared of my Water Elemental getting eaten up, but I feel like what I can do is just Owl plus this guy, ping this guy. If he attacks a Water Elemental, it's frozen for like 2 turns. Because he wastes 1 attack, next turn it's still frozen. That'll give me like ample time to roll BGH and just use this Flame Strike for like maximum efficiency. Like he can't really remove Water Elemental with that. I mean he probably is going to have to, but it's like I wouldn't not have dropped the normal 3/6 here if this wasn't a Water Elemental. Probably not good enough. I know my last 3 cards, kind of, BGH and Dr. Boom, which is really good. Although, it seems like at this point BGH is not so important anymore. This is gonna be a clear here. I still take too much damage and he can like kind of race me with the hero power. If he heals his Dr. Boom, it was like a 7-2. He could heal to 7-4 and 7-6, and if I waited 1 turn for Flame Strike, it wouldn't work out for me. That shouldn't be a big deal. Dr. Boom, I'll probably just play both. I need to think of how to do this ping here, though. If I ping that this is bad, he can heal us at 4-5, so it's really important to ping this. That way he can't heal it up enough where it doesn't trade. It's really easy for me to play around because he has no cards. That's literally his hero power's only interactive thing about him. So... oh yeah, he's screwed. Oh no, he has the heal on this. It's maybe not. I should still win though. It's really hard for him to win this. Probably better for me to ping him. And like makes it, he's probably gonna go for a Boom Bot here, trust steal Dr. Boom. That's the only chance of winning. If he trades for Dr. Boom, even if he steals it, it'll be a 7-2. I can trade Boom Bots for it. I'm like 3 ahead in fatigue. And my board is kind of better than his in a way. His hero power is better than mine, but... oh no. I might have to just race here. It doesn't make sense for me to trade for the boom. I can go for like a last turn, like attacking to try to get lethal, but until then, if he wants to waste 7, it's better for me. Otherwise, if he races, I can get a couple more damage with my boom bots, a couple more attacks, and go for the last turn boom bot hit. So I'm taking 3, so I'm taking 4 plus 7, 11. So I have one more turn. I might still win this. In fact, I think I do win. Yeah, I won.
Well played. You have been.
I was really worried after he stole my boom. It was a pretty low chance because, like, I had 2 minutes left after the boom bot, and my boom bot had to kill Sylvanas, which is like 36% around, I think. 50% goes face, and it has to roll 2 or higher. And then he has to steal my Doctor Boom, but... I think keeping 2 Mad Scientists is probably a mistake with this kind of deck. Like, Freeze Mage for sure, but your first Mad Scientist is probably going to get duplicated, and then, get duplicate, and you can't really play your second Mad Scientist after until late game. Like, there's no way you want to duplicate the second Mad Scientist. With only 3 secrets, if you're playing like 5 Mad Scientists or something, 4 Mad Scientists. I guess it'd be 4 total in your deck. There's no way you're going to get value for them.
Job done.
I'm a little bit sad about the Ice Barrier. Duplicate is so much more important right now. I've like played it with like just 2 duplicates and Ice Barrier, but there's too often where like my Mad Science would get nothing, and I did want a little bit more healing. Fix my collar. Seems okay. My hand's pretty good from turn 5 on though.
That belongs in a museum.
So this is Control War, not Grim Patron. This does almost the same, basically, as the Blackwing Corruptor. Like, if you just Deathbite the Corruptor, I still leave you on 5-1 this way. I guess I take much less damage like this. I'll probably play the Corruptor here instead of Ping. I can also play Emperor. Like, he does have to trade the 5-1 and not just Deathbite, because this will die, but I don't even know if that's good for me.
What to do?
So what's the difference? The difference is Emperor doesn't kill its weapon, but it gives me like a Emperor activation, whereas the Blackwing kills both this and the weapon, but it doesn't give me the Emperor activation. I think this is better. If I had a 4-drop, it'd be perfect, like Ping plus Environmental, but...
Let the pain speak to me.
I'm not in a hurry to play Rag, is probably why. Like, I don't need to play Emperor.
Armor made to fit.
There's not a great target. Like, Corruptor's okay, actually, to just Corrupt with the Acolyte. It might be better for me to play the Emperor here, though. This will be 4-3. Seems better. I have the BGH to deal with, like, Rag and Alex soon. Dr. Boom, perhaps. Acolyte's already at 1-2. It does kind of suck if you, like, Cruel Taskmasters it, but...
I can take the hit.
This seems like a good place to drop Sylvanas, because like right now, with him having a tempo lead, I'm not scared of creature trading, Like what I'm really scared of right now is like playing like minions and him removing with spells like executing shield set and pushing this tempo. Sylvanas like kind of forces creature trading, which is good. Even though like he can kind of trade both in, and me not getting value, it's like a tempo stopper. It's like a really big tempo stopper, and I need it. If I play Warmental plus Sylvanas, probably the other way around is better.
I have no time for games.
He can't really like. He can't say something like trade for the Warmental because it freezes his whole board and sets up my Sylvanas too easily. So I think it's really important to play Sylvanas here. Another thing is like I don't have any like clean ways to play like Blackwing Corruptor and stuff. Generally, it's better to do more than 5 damage with BGH, like 8 if you can, but let me see if I can find a good move here that doesn't involve BGH. Or if I play BGH, if I can have a good turn. And I think it's too big of a tempo thing right now. So I'll probably trade better in the long run by having more tempo. Alright, I'm almost done playing all my dragon activators. Not so weak to brawl. I'm gonna just yellow this. Like, my board is gonna be like pretty overwhelmingly powerful. If he has brawl, his Ragnar's gonna die too for the most part. Unless like that's like really unlucky, but I would like chance kill this, and if I miss, it's still not easy for him either. Okay, I'm gonna play my last dragon activator and then play my Drake. I've actually played all 4 now. And I need to get my duplicates. This is kind of weird game because, like, normally this is better for me, but this deck is really based around duplicate, and I've gotten no duplicates yet, so I'm actually having, like, potentially running out of mid-range threats. Okay. Is it even worth the Flame Strike? Honestly, I don't think so. I can ignore Dr. Boom. It's not like it's weak. None of my minions are weak to Dr. Boom. I'll just go face here.
Let the pain speak to me. Back to work.
That's unfortunate. Okay, well that's really bad. I lost... I don't know. That seemed really weird how that happened. But I guess I lost everything. I needed something to... Like, all 3 of those minions would have been good duplicate targets, but I lost all my minions.
By the power of Ragnarok, I have the power!
Okay, well, I have what, like, I don't know. It's not looking good, because my duplicates came after I lost all my good minions. Basically when I said that they weren't weak to Dr. Boom, I mean, like, none of my minions... Because they're all, like, 4 or 5 attacks, so, like, even though Dr. Boom can kill anything, I can Frostbolt after. It's, like, really the boom bots that got me. Hopefully I still have a mid-range minion or something. Otherwise, this game is gonna just go down to whether I can kill all his minions and win the fatigue. Worst comes to worst, I start duplicating heal bots. There's still 3/3s that heal for 8.
I bring life.
If I played Dr. Boom very like I would have died, and it's not really good with duplicate. I think it's better for me to duplicate Healbot than Boombot, so it's kind of good for trading too, because if he trades Alex into one, I can Flame Strike it down. I mean, it's not going to trade Alex into one, but if I get the trade on Alex, which I probably won't be able to do now. Oh, okay, that's really good. I can set up for this Flame Strike. Super important. I can freeze Alex and set up Flame Strike for next turn. I'm trying to think if there's like a freeze plus Flame Strike this turn that makes sense. Freeze, Flame Strike to 8-1. These two go in, kind of kill one for free. And then his 5-1 Sylvanas at 8-1 Alex against Antique Healbot. That actually doesn't seem so bad, but it's not good. The problem is the Fireworks kills my Healbot, and now he has an 8-1, 5-1. I can only ping 1 next turn.
To do.
These are actually not even that bad, honestly. The Boombots. I'm gonna try to see if I can clear this without Flame Striking. Probably not. Actually, I kind of prefer that, what he did. It would have been harder if he didn't attack. Okay, this should be easier for me. Even if he kills this with like Shield Slam, it should be okay. This is even better. I'm gonna check out a sheep move. Doesn't work. Unfortunately, this 8-1 I have to ping, which means that I can't. I can't use the duplicate for this heal bot. I'm starting to feel like I probably won't have a good duplicate target this game, especially if this dies this turn. I'm not sure what's left in my deck. Onyxia, which is not going to work at all with duplicate. I'll probably play Drake duplicate. If he has this Sarah, that'll be nice. And I will probably go face here. I think it's better for me to duplicate Boombots than Drake, so I'm not suiciding the Boombot to force the duplicate on Drake. Because I only have 2 cards, it's going to be hard to play double Drake, and Boombots are pretty strong. Yeah, if I got 2 Drakes, it'd like really mess up my fatigue. Still a Grom, I guess, for sure. It's not looking good for sure. Maybe it's better for me to use Alex to... Let's see, he has Execute and Shield Slam left, so Onyxia's gonna do nothing, but it won't really ever do anything.
What to do? What to do?
I'm almost out of
And the problem is, like, Grom plus Deathbite is gonna pretty much lethal me without healing. Even if I can reactively kill it with Polymorph. It's just too much damage, 16 damage here. I'll be at 8, not much left after, but for him or me. I guess my best chance basically this game is to win with Whelps, because he can kill Onyxia with Shield Slam or Execute, but there's no way for him to kill Whelps if I can bait out the Deathbite. So maybe it's should put all the Bimbots to force it out.
I'm out of cards.
I'm out of cards.
I don't know what his last cards are.
I dream.
That's not good. Yeah, I can't win this. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick.